YouTube. What is up? I'm back with a brand new video. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see here, we're going to be unboxing a sneaker here on this channel today. I know I do a lot of tech, but I'm also doing sneakers on the channel. Today we have a pair of Jordan 1s. Now, these Jordan 1s are a women's shoe, but they came in extended sizes, somewhat. And I was lucky to grab a pair of these. And these Jordan 1s are very special and very significant. And I think that these are really unique in its own way. Now, these are the tie-dye Jordan 1s. These released, I want to say, last week sometime. Now, it's just a weird thing that we have yet to see any tie-dye yet on any Jordan until now. But as we have it here, we have a tie-dye Jordan. This is our first tie-dye Jordan, a Jordan 1 at that. And this has just been a really interesting sneaker. I've seen a lot of people unbox theirs, and I noticed with every pair there's like a different pattern with the tie-dye itself. And the tie-dye material itself is like I want to say a cracked kind of nubuckish leathery type of feel to it. Like, you would really have to feel this in hand. I've never felt a Jordan 1 with this type of material before, but it almost feels like if, you know, like you would do that whole suede to, that leather to suede thing that everyone's doing to their Jordan 1s, where they're like stripping down the leather to the point is to where it exposes the suede that's under it, because under a piece of leather is always going to be a piece of suede, so it makes sense that that would be the case. But yeah, it's a really interesting material. I really love the leather on the toe box. It doesn't really seem like it's cheap leather. It seems like it's really good leather, honestly, in my opinion. I love the satin on the inside. I was just talking about how I always miss out on the cool satin ones and all that. So I like that they added the satin lining on the shoe as like a touch. Now, if only they could have did something about these laces. These laces bother me so much because the way that I wear Jordan 1s, a lot of times, like, I like to pretty much, if I lace them up at all, I like to have them pretty loose, or I just like to slip them on. But with these, I notice like the laces flip a lot, they move a lot when I'm just like wearing them loosely, so I have to like keep fixing them a lot. But I don't really complain about that. I know I can switch them out with another pair of laces, but it's just kind of wrong that they're doing the ladies like this with the fat laces. They deserve the regular Jordan 1 laces, just like the men get. But yeah, these shoes are really dope. I got a size 11 in women's because I'm a size 9 in men's. And I think that the highest size that they went up for was around 10.5 or something like that, which made a lot of people angry, a lot of the Bigfoot gang. But yeah, I was really excited to get the sneaker. I didn't even really expect to get the sneaker. I kind of just got it on a whim. I was like, oh, cool. But yeah, this is really interesting Jordan 1, honestly. And Nike brand has just been like coming out with so many Jordan 1s. A lot of people are like, oh, the market is saturated for Jordan 1s and Jordan 1s are over. It's all about dunks now. Yeah, all the resellers are on dunks. Well, I'm still feeling Jordan 1s, of course. I have tons of Jordan 1s at this point. I bought so many this year. It's insane. But I really like the fact that Jordan Brand and Nike are just doing more things, more unique colorways, and different things like that with OG models. Now, I know that a lot of people are like, we want the OG colorways on the OG models and everything. We want Chicago's and different things like that. But it's still dope to just see Jordan Brand just do new and unique things, such as like put tie-dye on a Jordan at all. So this is a really dope sneaker. I do not regret it. I definitely suggest it to anyone who could get their hands on this shoe to definitely cop. I know in StockX these are going for, last time I checked, they were like around like $350 or something like that, which is kind of steep, and I'm expecting these to probably even shoot up, but I don't know. They might not. We'll see. But thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in. Here's some on-foot footage and everything. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.